Hey everyone, if your invoice numbers are out of sync or you need to match them to a specific project code, QuickBooks Online makes it easy to change them. Today, I'll show you how to enable manual numbering and update your invoices in just a few clicks. Let's dive in. Step 1. Enable custom transaction numbers. Before you can change a number, you have to tell QuickBooks to let you. Click the gear icon in the top right and select Account and Settings. Step 2. Update sales settings. On the left-hand menu, click on Sales. Look for the Sales Form Content section and click the pencil icon to edit. Make sure the toggle for custom transaction numbers is turned on. This adds a field to your invoices so you can type in your own numbers. Hit Save and then Done. Step 3. Open your invoice. Now, go to the Sales tab and select Invoices. Find the invoice you want to change and click on it to open the editor. Step 4. Change the number. On the right side of the invoice screen, you'll now see a field labeled Invoice No. Simply delete the old number and type in your new one. Pro tip, QuickBooks will try to follow the sequence of the last number you entered for all future invoices. Step 5. Save and close. Once you've entered the correct number, hit Save and Close at the bottom. Your invoice list will now reflect the updated number, and your sequence is back on track. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.